Very good afternoon to all. So first of all, I like to thanks to the organizer to organize this type of workshop like business analytics for 6-day workshop in pandemic time. And I thank to Professor Nandi and Professor Sasmita to invite me as a speaker on this topic like business analytics. So I would like to thanks to all the participants to join. I hope everybody will be fine at your shape at your end. So I like to request, so it will be more interactive. So rather than I will take individual talk, right? It's not like a one directional communication or one way traffic like that. Okay. So I like to request you can interact me anytime, any point of time. So basically, I will tell you what exactly. This is one of the my student paper published in 2017. Another paper published in 2020. So this is the multi-carrier decision making purchasing the cell phone. So the real life problem. Another multi-carrier decision making for purchasing a life insurance. Like so, recently, Professor Amlan sir already present during the time series data by using your insurance data, right? So same thing we have implement by using a machine learning technique. So that will be discussed. Okay. So being a part of the my core organization, so I will tell you details. So my screen is visible to all. My screen is visible to all, and my voice to
Yes,
audible
sir.
to
Yes,
all.
sir. You are. Yes,
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 sir.
sir. You are properly
Yes, sir.
audible.
If
Okay, okay. So
possible,
no problem.
kindly switch on your video, sir. If possible.
Yes, I already switched off the video. Okay. So let us start. So this is my plan of presentation. So first of all, I like to tell you what the introduction part of the business analytics and the multi-criteria decision making concept. Then the some related works, then methodology, what I adapted by using fuzzy as well as fuzzy inference logic and Mamdani fuzzy inference system and Takagi Sugeno fuzzy inference system as well as the neuro fuzzy system. So three different type of technique we compare by using this cell phone purchase. And there is a methods and the data collection how the students are did, right? Then so case study I'm given the this your case study basically on the basis of your purchasing the cell phone and the result and discussion conclusion and reference. So being a part of my organizations, I will tell you what exactly my organization for 1 minute. So we can say that I'm working currently at a College of Engineering Pune. It was situated in 1854 in British time. So as of everybody know, your engineering day you are celebrating like M. Visvesvaraya, right? So M. Visvesvaraya is the alumni of this COP, right? Currently, COP College of Engineering Pune, the pronounced in the context is autonomous institute from the Maharashtra government, offers a UG 24 PG program and more than 3,200 students enrolled in various schools. And the picture what I'm looking is just like the internal structure of in our college. Now, so these are the two paper as I already told you. So these are the two paper we have published. One is the InterScience Journal or the Scopus Index, and this one is the Scopus for the ESCI Index also there. I can minimize this one. Okay. So so this is the one fuzzy multi-carrier decision making. So multi-carrier decision making by using purchasing life insurance. So in that case sector, we have considered around 38 life insurance. The paper I already circulate to you. Organizer, you can collect from the organizer, so no problem. And this paper already published in 2017, around 4 back. So also one of my students, the basically the BTech students. So now you know the BTech student publication is quite difficult, right? Because within 4 to 5 months they have to complete the data and data collection process is there. And the data collection basically our primary data collection. We are not considering any secondary data, right? So you only primary data collection. So I will be describe in brief And if time permit, I also explain you with demonstration of MATLAB also, so that also can easily all the individual the participant they can easily get it
Hello.
how I did this work. So first of all, we'll discuss what exactly the decision making, right? The decision making and how the decision making is helpful for your day-to-day life and your business analytics. As you know, your topic, your short-term programming, the business analytics. I will tell you how the decision makings are helpful for the business purpose, right? So decision making is nothing but a set of continuous process. Your mental process is set of continuous mental process, right? Is a mental process, and that mental process you have to take the decision. Finally, is a outcome either yes or no, right? Your outcome is a here is the outcome is a binary outcome either yes and no. But input, if you consider this is my system, there is a yes and no. There is a two outcomes, exactly one outcome either yes or either no. But input is the many. Input is not only single. Input is a many things are there. Suppose this input are maybe crisp or maybe fuzzy. So in my work, so what we did, we use the fuzzy input. And what the decision process is going on the basis of the fuzzy inference system, FIS, and I using the Mamdani fuzzy inference system, or you can call it a antecedent consequence rules fuzzy inference systems, and that fuzzy inference system will be helpful whether we'll purchase the cell phone or not. If you purchase the cell phone, then what is the criteria for that purchasing cell phone? Decision making is a cognitive process. Remember, the decision making is a cognitive process or a mental process which can involve so many things. One is called the data collection. One is called the data collection. And another things is called the data processing. After you data collection, you have to put the data processing. One is called the data processing. And after you data processing, what happened? You have to data store. You can do data store. After you data store, they can data retrieve. Data retrieve. Then after that, you can call the data processing. So these data processing are different. This is called the pre-processing of the data. This is called the pre-processing of the data, and this is called the post-processing, right? I will tell you what is exactly mean pre-processing and the post-processing in a subsequent slide. After that, what happened? You analyze the interpretation of the data and you find the decision. So this is called the sequence of process in your mental. You have to take the decision, and the decision may be your crisp or decision never be fuzzy. So decision crisp means either you have to purchase or not to be purchased. In day-to-day life, everybody are using the decision making process, but we are not using exactly the mental process and are not using any algorithm behind it. So what is came to your mind with the processing, and that processing from your brain you take the decision. For example, in day-to-day life, suppose you have suppose you lost your cell phone. As you know, nowadays you cannot survive without a cell phone, right? It is very difficult to survive without the cell phone. And cell phone is accountability nowadays to reaching the person to pass the information. Now very fast information pass one place to another places to the help of the cell phone. Now suppose you cell phone you have to suppose you lost your cell phone, right? Now you want to go to market, and in Kolkata in a market, suppose you want to purchase you buy a cell phone. Now as a buyer, so you have to think what type of cell phone you have to buy. Whether the cell phone you to buy for different company having are there, suppose Samsung, Apple, Oppo, many company cell phones are available nowadays. When coming to 2004, only one type of cell phones are available, that is called the Nokia. After that, Reliance will be coming to market. In 2004, I'm taking 2001 to 2004. At the time, what happened? There is a no problem at all, because there is one company available, you have to buy exactly one. So multi-criteria decision making means, so when you come to the multi-criteria, multi means more than one. Multi means more than one. Criteria means what are the criteria you have to choose, or what are the condition you have to choose. On the basis of this criteria, I have to collect this cell phone. So for selecting a suitable cell phone, then again I'm telling suitable. Suitable is the fuzzy word, right? For selecting a suitable cell phone for the customer, it is a very difficult task and fulfill the constant satisfaction problem. So now what happens? Suppose your son or your daughter need a cell phone, right? For their expectation, your expectation are different, right? There may be different type of options must be there, different type of scope must be there, but your expectation is not like that. My son or my daughter only reachable kind of things we can do it. Only is call receive and call, they can call in their end. So nowadays what happened, very difficult to select a particular cell phone. So that's why we came to picture with the help of this literature survey. We decided this is one of the research topic. Let us start the work on this area, and this is the way we motivate to enhance our work with the help of two students in during the BTech in their pursuing the BTech as a 4 semester, 8 semester is a project. We'll just consider this is the item we can start the research work. Now, so as of now, in that time, so whatever study you can decide the papers. These are the different type of articles and the methodology they have used. And nowadays, you believe me, many multi-criteria decision making research is going on, and many research already existing is in a area. So there is a set of researchers are saying that multi-criteria decision making analysis and evaluation of software architecture and multi-criteria decision making by using the performance information, the attribute, and again the software architecture. Again, have multiple decision making by using evaluation of software. So most of the work has been carried out by the software architecture. But our tangible part, how to use this type of work by using multiple criteria decision making for purchasing cell phone or purchasing insurance or purchasing a home. So many things are there. We have to discuss one by one. So in this study, what we have decided, so multi-criteria means, let me discuss what is multi-criteria. Suppose you want to purchase a car, right? You want to purchase a car. Suppose a set of person, suppose one person is saying, I want to purchase a car, having suppose my criteria is low cost. Low cost. Any doubt, please ask me, okay? Low cost and low comfort. Okay. So if you consider these are the two criteria for purchasing a car, so basically only one type of available, that is called the Tata Nano. Are you agree with me? So this Tata Nano is only available in the market, in Indian market, which is having a low cost and the low comfort, right? But the problems occurs. If you want to say, I want to pay the moderator cost, right? And high comfort. So in this case, what happened? Many solutions comes. For example, some product of the Tata company, some product from your another company manufacturer, suppose Maruti. Okay, so many companies are available from this particular scenario. So now, when the cell phone is concerned, we have divided all the sample are the student sample, and start the age from 18 to 24. This is the socio-demographic data what I'm presenting to you, and the male average, the mean average of the having 22 years, and the gender 140 male and 130 female. So total 200 sample we have collected, by using questionnaire method. The questionnaire method is one of the data collection method, and this questionnaire method is called the primary data collection method. So what are the variable we have used? The variable we have considered, these are construct. These are the construct we have used. One is called the cost of the mobile. Another variable we are using battery backup of the mobile. Another variable we are using the size of the mobile. Size means the screen size. Another variable we consider the weight, how much weight of the cell phone. You remember in 2004, those who are mining by using that cell phone, that cost the cell phone too much heavy, around 200-300 gram. But nowadays the cell phones are very light, cell phones are available, right? So now the rear camera, quality of rear camera, maybe 3 megapixel, 2 megapixel like that, and the memory, and which operating system use, the latest operating system. So these are the basically genuine product or genuine variable, or you can the basic variable, called the basic variable we have considered. Nowadays, also many features also available, like the waterproofing and guarantee like that, where you can also add in your coming next future work, we can consider absolutely no problem. You can put a question, why am I considering only the 7 variable, why not 10 and 15? So as per the literature survey, we are considering these are the primary construct 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these 7 number variable are the basic need. That means basic variables we are for considering the purchasing the cell phone. Other than these 7 variable, you can use any variable absolutely no problem, right? You can enhance this study by giving the reference this study, you can enhance absolutely no problem. So any difficulty as of now? Any difficulty? Have you understood? Any difficulty, please, any participant, any difficulty, please raise your hand and you can ask. Any difficulty? Any participant, any difficulty?
That means that the operating system should be given higher weight and all other parameters will be given equal weight.
Okay,
That kind
so
of
what you
project.
do? Yes, I understood. What in that time, what are the operating system available in the market? Right. In that questionnaire, we've already, I will give you the questionnaire. In the questionnaire, we have already mentioned. So what type of operating system you want to use? Maybe Bean or Jelly like that, right? Or Android points, which type of operating system use? The option, the candidate as a respondent. Suppose I'm giving this questionnaire to you. So I will ask you, Sarah, you want to purchase a cell phone? So what is the cost? What is the limit of the cost you want to purchase? Can you tell me? Can you tell me how much amount we can offer affordable for purchasing the cell phone? Can you tell me your
Sir,
answer?
how have you sent the questionnaire?
So questionnaire means, suppose the questionnaire I'm given.
No, sir, I understand. How have you sent the questionnaire to the partner user?
Okay, these all the students are staying in hostel. I want to, after dinner, I come to individual room and circulate one page of information by written, and you have to fill and submit us.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, in this way I collect the data, right?
Okay, okay.
So you have to fill all the data, right? And the operating system in that case, what the operating system using as an Android system, so that you can fill up. So many operating system use about Bean, Jelly, and some operating systems are available. Okay. Now, when coming to this type of fuzzy rule base, so why are we using fuzzy rule base? I'll tell you. So let me discuss what is the fuzzy rule base. Fuzzy means if your data is not precisely defined, right? For example, I will tell you, I'm affordable only low cost. Like, suppose Professor Nandi saying, I can affordable medium cost. And Professor Sasmita might be saying that, no, I can affordable very high cost mobile. Because I'm very rich person, I can do the very high cost mobile. Now you tell as a researcher, what does mean low? Can you define low? Tell me. For low is different amount for you and for low for different amount for me. Suppose I'm very poor. So I'm very poor. A poor person. Low means I can affordable maximum 2,000. Suppose you are very big persons and you are born from the silver spoon feeding. So you can, for my low is minimum 8,000. So that's why this low, medium, high are the linguistic variable. So these all the linguistic variable. I'm coming to again that picture. Let me see. So V1 is one of the cost. V1 is the variable V1. V2 is the variable V2. Is the talk time. V3 is the third variable, rear camera. V4 is the fourth variable, size means the screen size of your camera. V5 is weight. V6 means memory, and V6 means operating system. So this operating system and this all the linguistic variable V1 to V7, we divide into three category: low, medium, high. Now you can put a question, sir, why you given three variable, low, medium, high? Why not more than three variable? Now answer is also correct. You also can use many such variable, linguistic variable. These are called the linguistic variable. Suppose low, medium, high, very high, you can put. You can put say below low, very low also can put. And after very high, you can put very high, high also can put. As much as very linguistic variable you can put. Right, absolutely no problem. Then output, the output must be your either you have to select or not select. Either you select means you have to purchase, or you have to not select means you have to not purchase. So outputs never be a fuzzy. You can sort of partially have to purchase. Absolutely, there is no option partially have to purchase. Either the shopkeeper is given to you, whether you go for this or not. So shopkeeper is given the option whether you will buy or not buy. So there is two type of options are there. So when coming to this a particular problem, so we'll coming to this exam. So I'm giving to this logic of the rule for the rule based system. So what will do? Input is x. So here input x means x is a vector. If x is a vector, we can call here x1, x2, x3, like that, xn. Okay. So this x1 is nothing but our v1 and v2, v3. So all the input I'm given. So how many input? So total number of variable, how much you see? 270. So these 270 input, that means the low cost of the mobile cost. How many cost? Now 270 cost. Are you understood or not? Tell me. Are you understood or not? Tell me. Because I'm standing very low level and ground level. I'm going to explain. Cost I'm given input is x1. X1 means opposite the V1. Okay, suppose V1. V1 is called the cost of mobile given by a participant 1. Similarly, V2, cost of the mobile given the option by the participant 2. Participant means respondent. Those are the appear the study. Similarly, 270 I have colored the data. So V270 up to input. See, all 270. Similarly, the battery backup also. All the battery backup, because all the option, all the student sample, all the student must be given the battery backup. Battery backup means in terms of hour, whether 1 hour battery backup, 2 hour battery backup, 3 hour battery backup, like that. Okay. Then come to size. So after that, I think the questionnaire I have to mention. Okay, let me check the questionnaire is there or not. Okay, questionnaire is not there. So I've given that paper. In that paper, questionnaire is there. I will be showing, no problem. So here what happened? So I have to define these are the input in terms of low, medium, and high. So this type of linguistic variable, how many input variables? 7 input variable. So 7 into 7 into 7. This number of rules will be generated by using fuzzy rule base. Now, what is database? Database means what are the data we have collected to the help of 270 sample. These are called
Please,
the data. Yes.
please explain how 7 into 7 into 7 are coming.
Okay. I'm coming to this. Okay. So you just look at how many input variable and how many linguistic variable. First, you have to clear that one. How many linguistic variable, how many input variable? Please tell me. Can you tell me how many linguistic variable, how many input variable? How many input variable? So these are the 7 input variable, right? Cost, talk time, rear camera, size,
Input variable,
weight.
there are 7.
Yes, very good. And each input, suppose
You are-
cost, yes, the cost being low, medium, high. Are you agree or not? Tell me. Cost being low, medium, high. Are you agree
Yes,
or not? Tell
yes.
me. Yes. Similarly, talk time also low, medium, high. Are you agree or not?
Yes.
Similarly, the rear camera also low,
Yes,
medium,
yes.
high. Similarly, the last one also operating system also low, medium, high, right? So total number of 7 into 7 into 7. Now you agree. Each having 3
7
linguistic
in-
variable. Each having
7
3 linguistic
is
variable.
3 linguistic variable. Okay.
Are you getting?
So 7 is into 7 into 3.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
These
7 into
these
3
all 7 variable. Okay, I'm again explaining. These all 7 variable having low. Yes or no?
Yes, low.
These all 7 variable also medium.
Yes.
These all 7 variable also high. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Now, suppose what is your good name?
My good
What is
name
your
is
good name?
Subhash Chandra Shil.
Okay, Subhash Chandra. So Subhash, suppose the first participant. So out of these 700 students, suppose Subhash is one of the student, right? So Subhash tells
Right.
if this is the Subhash, okay, this is the Subhash. S stands for Subhash. If V1 is low and V2 is medium, like dot 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 dot, V7 is low, then I will be buy cell phone. 1 means buying the cell phone, 0 means they are not buying the cell phone. This is stands for the Subhash. Are you getting or not? Similarly, if all are low, 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 up to 7 low, so there must be some decision, yes or no? Similarly, all 6 low, 1 medium, there is another decision. Similarly, all 5 low and 2 medium, all having another decision. So in this way, we can define the rule 1. If V1 is low, V2 is low, V3 is low, and V7 is medium, that means all our 7s are low, the decision rule is 1. Suppose maybe purchase or not purchase. Okay. Similarly, you go to up to high, high, high. So this is called the 343 rules. So all these rules, on the basis of my knowledge, I'm giving again. So that is called the rule base. So what is the knowledge base? Knowledge base tells, as you right now you're saying, if all are low, I can purchase. Because being a human perception, I know what is my budget capacity and how I'll handle the mobile, that everything which is on me. So I can say if all are low, I can purchase. So that is my knowledge. When this rule base contaminated with knowledge base, a rule base contaminated database, these together are called the knowledge base. From this knowledge base, we retrieve the fuzzy inference engine. And the fuzzy inference engine will tells to quantify this linguistic term as a defuzzification and give the output whether you will be buy or not buy. So what is a fuzzy inference engine? The Mamdani and Sugeno. Mamdani approach is there. One is Takagi Sugeno approach are there. The Mamdani approach says that is antecedent and consequence rules. If this, then this. Suppose you all are some students are there. If you give effort, then if you give effort in your study, then you get the highest mark. If give effort in your Facebook, then you will fail. That means if consequence, if antecedent, then consequence. So due to this, we can call the causal and effect relationship. So here what happened? Due to this happened, right? So in this way, we can identify by using Mamdani fuzzy rule system, and now using Mamdani fuzzy rule system, we call the fuzzy rule based system. On this fuzzy rule based system, we identify the knowledge base generally represent the problem to be solved using fuzzy linguistic if-then rules. And if the needed obtain the output from the fuzzy rule system when the input is specified. Our input is not exactly specified. Our input only 7 input, and all the 7 input are the fuzzy in nature. Now, by using linguistic variable, what is the linguistic variable? Low, medium, high are the linguistic variable. This linguistic variable approaches provides a systematic way to represent the linguistic variable by natural evaluation procedure, and this natural evaluation procedure are the beauty of the fuzzy rule system. And the fuzzy rule is the only one concept through which you can quantify all the linguistic terms to mathematical terms. Now, so in this way, I design, so low is equal to starting from 0 to 04. Just look at. And the medium I start from 0 to 07, and high start from 0 to 1. So remember one thing I want to say here. All the low, medium, high must be overlapping each other. If it is not overlapping, that means it is a creeps. So you have to, data must be overlapping. As I already told you, the concept low for one person may be 2000 to 5000, and some concept of the low of the one person may be 4000 to 5000. So this 4000 low for one person, and this low 1000 also another person, right? So in this way, I overlapping, and this is the fuzzy rules always starting from 0 to 1, so that you can put in 0 to 1 either purchase or not purchase, and this you have to wait. Now, defuzzifications or description of fuzzy output variable, as I already told you. So output variable I consider the 0.5, whether it is purchase or not purchase. So not select means if the value is less than 0.5, is no purchase. If the value is greater than 0, this is 0.5. If the value is greater than 0.5, is called the you have to purchase. Now, so in this way, I define the fuzzy rule base. All the fuzzy rule base I defined as whether select and non-select. So all the fuzzy rule based systems of 7 into 7 into 343 is not 344. 343 rules are you have to generate by manually. You have to. Now, as I already told you, the 7 input variable having 3 linguistic variables. So these 343 rules are in terms of the abbreviation at the low, medium, high. And this low, medium, high are defined in terms of index representation 0.25, 0.35, 0.55. If you together join, that must be equal to near to 1. Now, the results say that you just look at And the result is very interesting. So after that, I'm coming to the demonstration how to I do it by using fuzzy, using MATLAB. I'm
Sir,
just
index
using
representation, can you repeat once again? Index representation?
okay index. Yes. So index representation means, so what exactly, how many rules are there? So total is 343 rules are there. Out of 343 rules, which rules basically fire? Fire means which rules are more helpful for decision making. So all the rules are not useful for the decision making. That means exactly as I already told you, this is the low, you just starting from low. So low starting from 0.0 and 0.4. So exactly what is the value of low during defuzzification? That is called the index representation. So this 0.25, so I'll come exactly 0.25 will be here, suppose, and this is called the exactly low value. Similarly, suppose this is the 0.25, 0.2, this is 0.2, this is 0.25, suppose this one. This is the exactly value of the low you can easily identify. Similarly, so in this case of low, this is 0.25, and this is the case of medium for the index representation. I'll tell you how to calculate index representation when you're getting a MATLAB representation or MATLAB demonstration. I'll be explaining you. Okay. So this is the exactly value in 0.25 where you can communicate the exactly low is equal to this one. So that is the index representation, right? So when you coming to, I'm going to explain. Yes. Yes, tell me.
One thing, sir, as low, medium, high is,
Okay.
I mean, intersecting. I mean, one person low is another person medium. So that discrimination is how there's discrimination how we made it in our search engine.
Okay, made in search engine.
Because
So
one
search
low,
engine. Okay, I understood a problem. You have to input 343 rules, right?
right.
So the search engine will be optimized out of 343 rules. Which rules are basically fired? That is the role of the defuzzification. And the defuzzification layer will be identified by using sum of method, by using other centroid method. So this method will be identified out of this rule, which rule will be more sophisticatedly used for the decision making. So all the rules are no more used. All the rules are no more used. In a demonstration phase, I will be explaining you more elaborately. I will show you which rule will be firing so that we can communicate. This is the rule we can exactly getting for the decision making. So when coming to this picture, you see these are the rules. So I have to consider. This is all the low, medium, we cannot select like that. All the 343 rules are there. So all of these 43 rules, there is a possibly one output is assigned. From this output assigned, we have to identify which rule basically used for the decision purpose. All the 342 rules are not used at all in your study. When coming to the result, tell me. Yes.
That is out of all those rules,
Yes.
only important rules will be selected, right? The eigenvector, eigenvalues, the variable reduction technique. Here also, all from 343 rules, exact rules will be chosen by the system, and that will give my output. That is the, I think, the concept.
Ajay, you are saying the eigenvalue, but I have no knowledge about the eigenvalue. But as per strengthen the rules, as per the output of the defuzzification value, so on the basis of output of defuzzification value, that rule will be considered. Okay. In your terminology, there may be the eigenvalue, but our terminology is saying that as per the strengthened rules for the output value of from the defuzzification method, that rules, whichever is the highest, that rule we are given more important rule or more involved rule or more strengthened rule for the decision making. Okay. So the output we compare with this is the cost and this is the talk time. You just see, just look at the picture carefully. If the talk time is very high, right, irrespective of the cost, that means all the 270 student sample from our university, they are not interested about the cost of the cell phone, rather they are interesting about the, they are showing their interesting for the talk time. That means, and the talk time in the sense which giving the more than 50%. That means more than medium. Because why more than 50% more than medium? Now look at here. Medium means, I'm looking, medium means 0.2 to 0.7. That means here 0.5 more than onward. That means 0.5 onwards. Why 0.5 onwards? You just look at here. The output, you just look at here. I'm just putting another color so that you can easily get it. You just look at here. This value having 0.4 onwards, because you look at the figure will come to this side. That means which value having greater than 0.4. So greater than 0.4 means you draw the 0.4 here. Greater than 0.4 means from this onwards. So you draw the 0.4 here. This is the area. This is the area, not this area, right? So here we conclude that most of the student participants are not bothersome about the cost. That's why no one is firing here. They are interested most about the talk time, right? Then again, we also compute the cost with related to the operating system. Again, you see that they are not bothering the cost. Those students are participating in the study, they're never bothering about the cost, but rather they are using highly operating system. Those operating systems are latest operating system, they are using this. Again, the talk time versus operating system, you see neither operating system and the talk times are correlated in this study. So here we conclude that the most of the students, those that participate in the study, they are using, they are preferring more talk time and more operating system.
Sir,
Right?
this is the results of Mamdani FIS or Sugeno FIS?
No, we are using only Mamdani. We are not using Sugeno because yes, Sugeno basically used if your data is interpolated too much high. Our data is not interpolated too much high. That's why we are getting only Mamdani approach only. Antecedent consequence rules. We are not adapted by using data. So, yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Hello, sir. Yes. While calculating the index value, what is the mathematics that is involved? For example,
mathematics we have considered as a centroid method. Centroid method. Okay. So summation we can call here summation I is equal to 1 to n xi ni divided by summation xi. So that we have to consider as a centroid method of the diffusion method. Okay. This method or what are the output we have received, right? This output we compare. And any doubt? Any doubt?
One thing in this diagram, it is showing the surface cost versus talk time. The surface,
yes.
Why cost versus talk time? Why it is representing surface? What is the third parameter here?
No, third parameter is the output parameter. So these are the two input parameter, cost and talk time. And on the basis of cost and talk time, how many rules are fired out of 343 given by 270 students? So this is the output what we observe. Those are having greater than 0.8 value. 0.8 value means you just look at here. This is all the selection. The 0.8 means if you consider here all the value having 0.5 onwards, they have to select. That means they have to wish to choose this type of cell phone, where the cell phone having high talk time and cell phone having highest operating system rather than the cost.
And then the color significance, different blue, yellow, green color, those colored, what actually it signifies.
The column indicate that out of 343 rules, right? How many rules will be
Right.
dedicated to that particular region, right? That color is only specific reason. Because all the
Oh.
rules will not find. All the rules out of
Same value,
270.
same.
TT versus operating system, octane versus operating system, and operating system versus talk time. Why
Okay.
have you drawn two graphs, sir?
Because why drop? There must be the interpolability might be there or not. We have to check. So sometimes what happens, the talk time maybe depends upon operating system, or operating system may be talk time. We have to check, but we have constant both are the same figure, right? Only the dimension only changing. So this will be coming to this direction, and this will be coming to this direction. But otherwise, there is no such relation. We can call the dependent factor and TT and OS. Only the diagram position changing, but other value will be not changing.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. So similarly, how many combinations are there? 7 C2 combinations are there. We do all the combination because 7 input having 2 at a time. So we all do all such combination, and we conclude that these are the 2 factor only where the output given significant result rather than all other combination. We did all the combination. Only these 2 factors the students are being more used, and that interpretation also there. I will tell you end of my lecture why they have used these 2 concepts. I also tell you that is very interesting story. Now, so what
And
about
then, sir, where,
huh?
then
Tell me.
how we are getting the idea that these 2 are important. That means firing more than others 7C2 items. How should I get that conclusion?
Okay, so out of 7C2 permutation, we'll get all the output figure, right? So as a researcher, we decided out of all these possible combination, no one having giving very good result, means reliable result, other than these 2 parameters, right? And I'm again saying why the student are preferring these 2. You just look at here. Right now I'm saying not in last. What is the age of level? Tell me. As a researcher, you have to think. What is the age? All the student sample age is 18 to 24. Are you agree or not? Tell me. Are you agree?
Yes, sir.
Now they are very young years. Means their BTech student means they are very young. If they are using very young BTech student, that means they have to purchase for the battery backup should be high. Why? Tell me. Because once you full charge your cell phone, they are gossiping with their girlfriend and boyfriend for longer time. Yes or no? Tell me. This is human perception. They have to talking once you full time charger, they are talking long time. So this type of cell phone they need, right? Second thing, they have to install different type of apps. They have to install different type of old app. So for that operating system must be need for the which operating system is morely comfortable or compatible to the new type of apps they can upload and they can download, right? For them, they are using these 2 They are not bothering the cost because they are not earning the money. They are depending their parents' money. And at KIT University, those students are studying, they are purchasing 4 year around 20-25 lakhs. Their parents are very well sound in a financial background. They do not have any money. They can purchase by pocket money to student every month 5,000 to 6,000 rupees. That's why the students are not bothered about the talk time. And this output may be vary if you do some private college in a village area or rural area. And this may be vary if you conduct and study in a IIT or NIT. So our limitation is that this student only I am considering 270. If you consider 1,000 sample, the data may be output may be vary. Right? So that is our interpretation of the result. And this result, I compare with another method by using neurophagy method. In the neurophagy method, what we'll do that the hybrid method, one is neural network. You might be know. I'm not coming to the fundamental things and the fuzzy logic. The moment I'm getting neurophagy method, I'm giving the V1, V2, V7 input. I already discussed like a battery backup and the camera size, cost like that. Everyone having low, medium, high. Then everyone I'm assigning the weight matrix. So weight matrix nothing but here 1 to 7. So here 7. So I can starting from 0.0 to 1.0. Then by using the deep fuzzy prediction method, you will get exactly output using neural using the web propagation neural network. So same thing you can observe here, the output. Cost versus TT. This is the cost. This is the talk time. You just see the highest version here. Most of the outputs are coming. The highest TT value must be there. In this case also, the cost versus operating system. You just look at here. When you coming the fire the yellow versions, the yellow color, you see most of the outputs are coming the highest operating system. You see there is nothing is here, right? Here also same thing, operating versus CT and operating versus OS versus cost. So here what happened, the cost they are not bothering, they are bothering about the operating system. So coming to the result of analysis by using ANN method, we identify how the regressions will be output the error analysis. The error analysis is the mean square error by using neurophagy using Mamdani approach. You giving these persons are R square value 0.99. That means you see the 99 means your regression very close to your approach. And by using fuzzy region tools, we're getting 0. So almost both are near about. So testing and testing, so total sample you can divide. So in this way you get the result. So this paper you can identify the cell-phone information processing during decision making, the fuzzy region tool, a neurophagy system and Mamdani approach. Then by using focus fuzzy region tools, maybe you can use in further other techniques might be given different result, but we conclude that neurophagy approach show the better performance as compared to the traditional fuzzy region tool. So these are the different rules. So let me coming to that paper. I'll show you the paper. I'll show how to do it. This type of. So I will show you how to exactly see. This is the paper, and I'm going to the question and methods. So see, this is the question. So you have to. This is visible to all. This is visible
Yes,
to all.
sir, visible. Yes,
So
yes,
this
sir,
is the
visible.
question. The 7 number. See all the 7 number input I'm given. So this is the question I'm calculating to you. So you have to put tick. Suppose cost So please take appropriate answer and you can consider purchasing mobile for cell phone. So we can put mic, suppose you are the Siddharth, so I'm asking, so the cost may be this one, then camera might be 8 MP or a megapixel, talk time must be so 20 hours, 15 hours like that, and size may be 4 inches, 5 inches, 5 inches, and weight is very low, medium and high are defined, and memory also in terms of gigabyte, and operating system at that time, so Jelly Bean, KitKat, Lollipop, these are the operatings are available, right? So in the terms we can do. So in the cost in terms of 1,000, so that's why putting in the terms of 1,000. So let me coming to the MATLAB, how to do it. Quickly I'm explaining how to do it, the MATLAB. Suppose what will do you write only fuzzy, okay? The moment you coming to this type of, you go to adding variable, add variable, input method, edit, add variable, input method. In this way, you can go on for add variable. 7 method I have given input, right? So one input you put right click. Suppose you input membership function, suppose low, medium, low. I put here low. So I can put medium, I put medium, then I can put high. So in this many input you can do it, no problem. So another input I have to use the low, medium, high. These are same low. I can use the medium, then I can use the high. Right? We can use the high. Similarly, input 3, also you can put input low, medium, high. You can put here low, and you just click here. You can put a medium. You can click here. You can put a high. Right? So it will complete. Then output is there. Output is I only 2 output required, so I can put this is the remove. So I can put here output is either 0 or output is either 1. So this is 0, this is 1. Then come to F5 property. Then this is the input and the output. Then go to rules. So what will do, if the first input 1 is low, input 2 also low, input 3 is low, input 4 also low, so my output is 0. So add rules. So you come to add rules, right? Suppose my again, if we can medium, so add rules. In this way, you can go add rules, all the rules you can add. Okay. Now this is medium, this is 0, add rules. So now you understood. Input 1 means the low, input 2 is low, input 3 is medium, input 4 is medium, so output is 0. So that is your knowledge base. So you can go on adding like that. Add, you can add. You want to delete, so click and you delete. Okay. So you want to delete, now you can delete. So you can delete too. Automatically delete. Okay, no problem. Nothing to be problems. We can add a rule. Suppose this is the low, add rules like that. So in this way, you can do. Suppose medium, all are low, then 0, add rules. So in this way, you can put is, so 4 input parameter, 3, so 342 rules. So I'm giving only 13 rules. Let me check how they exactly work. So let me do some rules. I'm giving the arbitrarily, okay? Then view rules. You see, if the input is 0.5, so 0.5 you already decided what is low, medium, and high. Now you change this value. You just look at in this plane. You just look at in this value. I'm going and change this value. So nothing to be changed by using output. Okay, you put all this value. Now you just look at here. There is some blue colors are coming. As some faculty, some participant asking, na, so why the color interference is there, right? So that means this rule is fired on the value where the input is 0.71, 0.75, input 2 is 0.78, input 3 is 1, input 4 is 0.92, this rule fire. If you change this rule, now there is no fire. That means these particular rules I will not consider. And this rule I have to consider. So in this way, you can identify exactly. Now going to surfaces. Now see. So by using X input and Y input, this is the result. If you give an input 3, so this is the result. By using input 4, this is the result. Right? So here what you think, which is rotated here, that means what are the value of input 4 is beyond the 0.5, the few rules are here fire and none of the rules are fire from 0.0 to 0.1. So in this way you have to interpret. So in this way, with respect to X axis input 1, you can put all the input figure. Now this is your interesting result you see. So which one is the input 2? Input 2 means maybe your cell phone, maybe your price, maybe your camera size. So is the highest camera size you see, this person is a fire, none other than is fire. Then input 1 is no more relevance in this study with respect to the T2. So as a researcher, you have to interpret in this way, and you have to identify this is the way you have to getting, and this is the way you have to result you have to interpret. Any doubt, please ask me. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Sir, one question is there.
Yes,
That is,
you can ask. Yes.
yeah, that is, will the result vary when I move to other engineering college students?
Yes,
Because
obviously, I told you. This is my
that is
limitation of the work.
yeah, biasing will be there because this may be related with some sort of biasing is involved.
No, it is not exactly biasing. The terminal is saying that it is a situation parameter difference. It is not a biasing. Biasing means the study itself is biasing. Suppose I am out of 343 students. If I am telling 10 students, kindly give the option D, that is called the bias. Are you getting or not? So the manipulation I have not done with a cross correlation study. If the study is different from place to place, if the same study you do as a University of Arizona, that output may be different. That is means this student and that student is quite different. Their culture, their attitude, their financial background, everything are considered as a researcher, right? So it is not a bias. Bias means if your study is within the study, if you manipulate, that's not the bias. If the intercultural study is not a bias. Suppose in your example, in your college, you can circulate the same question, you see the output may be vary.
Okay. Followed, sir. Thank you.
Yes. Any
Sir,
doubt? Please ask.
Sir,
Yes.
would you please
Yes.
send me your paper? Send us
Right
your
now, yeah.
Sir, actually, I want to know how you have put the data set. That means how you have put the data set in your paper.
Yes, I
How you
already
have
given that. See, this is
how
the
the
data
da-
set. I'm explaining. So this is the
how
way
the
data set
data
I
set has
mentioned.
been authenticated. How the data set has been authenticated. That it's taken by the particular university or particular
Yes.
institute. How you have authenticated the data.
Okay.
That's
So as you are asking, okay, tell me one thing. I tell you, we are not using any secondary data, right? We have
yes.
already started. You attempt one study. Let us examine which type of decision making the student having for purchasing a cell phone. So this is purely primary data collection, right? We collect the data 370. Out of few data we are losing because some students are not giving all the information. We remove them, and rest of the data we consider as a primary data. The authenticity we are not considering because you are using fuzzy inference engine. Fuzzy inference using that your human interpretation, what you have studied and what you have thinking, that should be mathematically represent, and we conclude one paper. And some reviewer also comment by giving this paper. This paper need actually got around 1 year, 3 month time to publish. 4 round of revision, then publish. Many corrections are being. So many they are asking what is the authenticity of the data like that. Then we convey them, try to convince this of fuzzy logic you have used. The fuzzy logic used means your data is not precisely there. That's why you are using fuzzy logic. If your data is precisely defined, you cannot use the fuzzy logic. So that's why the uncertainty is there, because your thinking, my thinking are different, right? Suppose you lost, suppose exactly not lost, suppose you lost your cell phone today, right? So tomorrow definitely you buy the cell phone. So what type of thinking you kept? So your salary might be, suppose you today got the salary 2 lakhs rupees to organize this short-term program. Your authority is happy, given 2 lakhs rupees as a prize. So you definitely go for iPhone, right? Yes or no? Tell me. Or a costly mobile. So that depends upon situation. So we are considering that's why the student having 18 to 24. Tell me.
How you have informed about the data set, that we want to know.
Informed of?
That means when you are, if we collect the data from Kaggle, then we can
Yes.
mention that the link is from, we have collected the data from Kaggle. So when you
Yes.
have taken the data from a particular university, how you
Okay.
have mentioned in your paper, that is my query.
Okay, paper. That is we have already given the socio-demographic variable. We already mentioned. Okay, all the I also say circulate. You can also get it. No problem.
Okay, sir. Please share the paper, sir. Please share.
So definitely.
Sir,
Any
one
doubt?
thing, sir, last
Yes. No.
last
Why
week-
you? Okay. You can ask a number of questions. No problem. Tell me.
that
Tell me.
is, you have shown in neural network and the fuzzy logic analysis that
Yes.
this much deviation or this is found. How you have calculated that thing? If you show please that thing.
Calculated neurophagy load, no? Yes. So this is the calculation I already done. Please check the go to view and surface. See, this is my calculation. I calculate the value 0.85.
And finally from
Neurophagy again I
0.85.
calculate. Okay. Neurophagy NF tool is there. I already let me explain. Okay. I understood your problem. And view NF tool. This is the neurologic tools. We go for NF. So here also getting this topic. Okay, go to nest. So you have to give the input here, right? So all the value have to give an input and target. Then after that, this run the value. Suppose I am given load example. I have given one load example. You can get it, right? Okay, I'm explaining how to do it. Okay. Go for NF2. You have time so that I can explain you. Okay.
Sir, I have time. Yes.
Okay. No, I'm just giving some data, some sample data I'm given. I will explain you. Workspace. No, this is random. I'll explain you. Suppose A is equal to rand. I'm giving the random data 10, 10, and B is equal to rand 10, 10. So A is suppose input data, B is suppose target data, right? Then you have to go for I'm just closing this value. Then then I go to neural network start, go to next. Then I'm given A is the input data and B is my target data. Right? Then no, so 70% is no. You can also change 70, 50 training, testing, validation. You can also turn validation, suppose 20%, and here also can 10%, no problem. Okay. And neuron also can put 10 and 20, that up to you, no problem. Then you see the neural data is going on. So now you go to using this, when you go to train data, now you check it. Is processing is going on, it takes some time. So now go to regression, plot regression. Now you see. So all the data is random nature is there, but validation is 0.4.
Right.
So training is very poor training. So you that be retraining, it might be go to 9.8 sometime. So you go to do this repetition gradual repeatedly unless until the training is coming to 0.9 and something. Okay, you do it. So I'm giving the random data, that's why it's giving the output is coming with. So same way I did in the by using all the 343 data set.
Okay, the training can be done from the software also.
Yeah. Everything is there.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Any doubt?
Sir, that
No,
is
sir.
regarding neural network training. If we want
I
to
told you na,
implement,
in my study, wait, in my study, I already explained you. Na. This one I did by neural network, all with artificial neural. Okay.
But if we want to implement neurofuzzy system, in that case,
There another tool, so same tool, so neuro NF tool also there. But that another tool is also there, NF tool. So I'm circulating that my paper, right? That paper you will get it. You can also control C. What is chat box is there? Is there any chat box is there? This one? If the chat box is there, this one stop. Option. Anybody can ping me so that I can put in chat box the link, the paper you can download.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Can you ping me anything high or something?
Yes.
Okay, you may be this one. Na? Where the chat box is this one? Na? Okay. By private, hello sir.
Sir, I have small question.
Yes, why not? You can ask many questions. No small, no big.
Oh, sir, I mean, you have considered all here linguistic variables, but when my data will be in, you have considered here all linguistic variables.
Yeah.
I mean, 7 variables and fuzzy figures are linguistics. Suppose my
right.
data, I'm nature of my data is suppose a floating number or real numbers. Then how do I apply this fuzzy rule or neurofuzzy rule in numeric data? All data is numeric.
I understood. My suggestion here, you don't apply fuzzy rules if your data precise in nature. Again, I'm telling precise. If your data some overlapping, if your data having vagueness, if your data
Yes.
is that time you can use fuzzy.
Sorry, I'm not getting your
Otherwise you don't use fuzzy.
Sir, any MATLAB book can support.
Can you repeat, sir, once again, please? I mean, for numeric data.
Sir, in this case also, if that is high, medium, and low,
Yeah.
Can we convert this in linear scale also? That means 1, 2, and 3 like this.
No, 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 no.
Can
Because
we
the fuzzy
represent-
starting. No, 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 no. Here
No, no,
linguistic
no.
variable
In
like
fuzzy,
0 to 1. No.
no, sir. No, sir. In fuzzy, we cannot do that. But in other way, we can do this. If we implement
No.
it in another type of work, not in fuzzy rule, we can implement that the high, medium, low by representing it as 1, 2, and 3. This numerical value.
No, but what is your what is your objective here?
If
Because
I want to class,
no, because you see, low is no specific region, na. So I'm starting the what is the lower limit or the upper limit of the low? If you tell 1, 2, 3, what is the
Yes.
lower limit and upper limit of the low? You just look at here.
No. As you have seen, as you have mentioned that high, medium, and low, 3
Yes.
range.
Yes.
Okay. That means just you were representing the data in the linguistic variable that is high, medium, and low.
Yeah.
That means yes, there is a range 0
This
to
is my
yes. This is your range. So if we just transfer this range to any value, is it possible to represent
no.
that in another way?
If any possible means we are trying to the value scale down from 0 to 1.
Yes.
Yes. That's why I interpret the data from 0 to 0 0.0 to 1.0.
Yes.
Yes, that is my objective. But if you want to do 0, 1, 2, 3, now I'm asking what is the need for this 1, 2, 3? What use your brain? You are saying 1, 2, 3. What you want to
No,
do for
sir,
this?
actually I want to represent low as 0, medium
Okay.
as 1, and high as 2. If I
Okay, no
represent in
problem.
this way,
Okay, if you
I
represent,
cannot implement that in fuzzy. I cannot implement that in fuzzy rule base, but I can implement this as another type of rule.
anything I can do it, no problem.
Innovated method.
But you cannot apply fuzzy here. If you apply fuzzy, then this is the only possible.
Yes, sir.
That we can do.
Any MATLAB book can support to understand all these states to run this fuzzy engine and this neural network work.
Can you repeat
Specific
again?
book is required. Say any MATLAB book can support to do the neural network engine work or fuzzy logic engine work.
Yes.
Or
MATLAB
a special book is needed.
No. This
MATLAB?
fuzzy program also available. I can share you the program. I've written the code, na. Because you writing the code, it takes some time. Code also with me. I cannot share with you.
I am telling that suppose I am writing to do a fuzzy engine work, then MATLAB is with me. The state which you have shown can be that can be seen from any text book, or it is requiring for special book.
No, that you can do it by using MATLAB
By any
toolbox.
MATLAB toolbox. Neural network and fuzzy both operations can
and
be done.
even also time series tool is also there.
Time
Series analysis tool was also there.
for series analysis. Thank you, sir. MATLAB toolbox is given with the MATLAB unit also, isn't it?
During installation, you have to select the what are the toolbox you need. That's all.
I will get. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Participants, do you have any more queries?
In chat box, I already shared the link. You can download the paper.
Yes, sir. That we have got.
Okay.
So,
any more questions?
Any more questions, please?
Please ask me any more questions you have. I will take some water.
So possibly, sir, you
No
have
question. Okay.
covered almost all the queries.
Okay.
Almost
Okay.
all the
Thank you.
queries,
Thank
sir,
you.
you have covered. And
Okay.
thank you very much, sir,
Okay.
for
Thank you.
this beautiful session. And sir, you wanted that the session should be interactive, and finally it becomes an interactive session.
Okay. Okay.
So
I'm always like
participants have,
interactive because unless until you are not interacting, there is no objective of this short-term program.
yes, sir. It's like that objective functions. Here your objective is already fulfilled. The participants has interacted with you. That's a very good session, sir, and very interactive session. So you have already provided us the link of the paper. Sir, it would have been
Yes.
better that you could have mailed the link of this paper to our conveners, so that
Okay.
with
Okay.
all other study materials, they could have provide to the participants when the session, all the sessions of the workshop or the STTP will come in.
Okay.
So
Okay.
thank you very much. Thank you very
Thank,
much, sir. Thank you very
thanks, sir.
much again.
Bye.
Okay, participants, thank you very
So
much
should I
for
can
your
leave?
presence. Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir. Thank you very much again from the
Thank you.
organizers. Thank you, sir. Okay, participants, thank you very much.